In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a page on a module in Moodle. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you're in Moodle, that editing is on, and that you're in the class and module that you want to add the page to. Go to the Add a Resource pull down and select Page. You'll have to name your page. I'm going to call this Test Page and give it a description. And I usually just recycle the name as the description. Now, the page content is really what's going to show up when the students access this page. There's a HTML editor here so that you can just type text in and the HTML will be created as you need to. So I'm going to put test text here. However, you can also, if you know HTML, modify it by just clicking this HTML button. And this just takes you to a text editor, and you can see the HTML code. You can see that it's paragraph, end paragraph, and then what I typed is in between there. One of the things that I found really useful here is embedding video from YouTube. If you are creating video for your students, this is a great way to share it without taking up a lot of space on Moodle. So I'm going to create a line by just going P/P. So that's an empty paragraph. And then I'm going to give a title to this video that I'm going to put up here. So I'm going to start a paragraph, and then I'm just going to type sample embed. And then close the paragraph with a /p. And then I'll leave a blank line. And then I'm going to put the embed code that YouTube automatically creates for me right here. So I'm going to go out to YouTube now and find one of my videos. And you can do this with one of your videos, and you can also do this with videos that other people have made that you want to share with your students. When the video is playing, go down below it and you'll find a share button. When you click that, a highlighted URL will show up. If you look next to that, you'll see an embed button. If you click that, a highlighted bunch of code shows up. And this is an embed code that will embed that video on your page. So if you just copy that, go back to your page in Moodle, and then paste it, it'll paste in that HTML code that'll put that video on the page. Now if you click Update down here in the corner, it'll go back to the HTML editor, and now you have this little box here. If you click Save and Return to Course, the students will now see the page. Here we see this test page. If I click on that page and open it up, this is what the students would see. They see this page with the text that I put on there, test text and sample embed, and here's this embedded YouTube video. You can embed other things than YouTube, and you can make this as creative as you want. If you know HTML, it makes it that much easier to customize it to be just what you want it to be. And then the students can play that video right from there, and they don't have to find it on the Moodle server. And I don't have to take up space on the Moodle server, which will make our IT people happy. So that's how you can create a page. You can make these as simple or as complicated as you want. And in fact, some people run their whole Moodle off only pages so that it looks basically like a regular web page.